welcome to Oppa Store. Today review is 뭘까요? Watch this. So this is total 10-piece set. So this is, I don't know, maybe pre-order gift. And poster. And here albums. They have this, is it sticker? It looks like film picture. And yeah, this is Suga, Jungkook here. For one set, they give one film picture. So I see, okay, they have another two-piece. Another two is RM and Jin, but the quality of picture is not really good. I'm just talking about the quality of this. The last piece is I got Jungkook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god. I need to be wait. Actually I have more here, so wait. Let me find the
A few moments later.
Oh, I got here. So V here. I got V here. It's like this. So let's make OT7. V, Jimin, Suga, Jin, Jungkook, Jungkook, and RM and J-Hope. So BTS here. Okay. And this is, yeah, BTS Butter. Wow. So close-up shot. Maybe. Yes. This is a different one. Yeah. Wow. I like this more. So here's Gangwon-do, Samcheok, East Coast, Korea, and yeah, they are all nice. V, RM, J-Hope, Jungkook, Jin, Suga, Jimin. So let's open one set album. Butter. Wow. I like simple this color. Cream. Peaches. So I open pre-order gift first. And Peaches pre-order gift is RM photo card, RM, woohoo, butter, cream, open, Jungkook. I thought there's something big, but there's only one piece photo card. Okay. Cream version. 땄다. Butter. BTS cream. Open. First photo book, I guess. Yes. Yes. So the poster I show you first is the version of cream. Oh. Yes. Oh, J-Hope. Oh, Jin. Suga. Jungkook. Jimin. These shoes again. This boots. Yeah, V. Yeah. Wow. RM. Black and white. Cream version. Okay. V. Oh, this is poster picture. Yes, I got it. And there's a message from the members. RM. 2021년에도 저희 앨범이 나오네요. And ending shot. Okay, this cream and this is, yeah, I think this is stand. Do like this, and you can stand. I will see this later. Permission to Dance. Butter. So this album only 2 songs, Butter and Permission to Dance. So I can see track list here. Butter first, Permission to Dance, Butter instrument, Permission to Dance instrument. So 4 tracks. Butter sticker, be nice, take chance. This is the lyrics. Butter. Smooth like this is QR code. RM, and this is group pictures. I got RMPC and J-Hope message card. I think this is the picture from Peach's version. 열심히 작업하고 일하는 후에 집에 가서 맥주 한 잔. 좋은 날씨에 산책하기. So I got RMPC and JU message card. Okay, so this is done. Review for cream version. Then let's go next. Peaches. Peaches. Butter. Open. Photo book here. Yeah, this is also standy. And let's see. Photo book. Yeah. Oh, 47. Oh, gas station. Yeah. Jimin. Jin. Jungkook. Wow. RM. Suga. Yeah, V. Wow. Okay, finally I got the pictures of beach. To the beach. From gas station to beach. So I saw the video about this photo book, and this place where BTS take picture is Samcheok in Gangwon-do. Samcheok is the east coast of Korea, and you can see this cool beach and 수박, watermelon, bee eating, and oh, Jin, yes, Jungkook, Army, Suga. Oh, this hammock. I like this picture. Suga, okay. Jungkook, Jin, Suga. Ah, this is the picture from poster. Yes. Here message again. This is same as cream version. Okay, one message. Okay. RM message card and Suga. Envelope and cash card and group picture and butter, permission to dance lyric and sticker. So this is cream version sticker and this is peaches version sticker. I like this color more. So today review is done, I think. Peach versions, butter version, and what I got. Cream is RM and J-Hope. Message card and Suga. RM and yeah, group picture same. So when you buy set, and these are same, message card and this. The color backside is different, but message card I think they have the same yellow color like this. Okay. So today review is done. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, subscribe our channel and comment if you have any question. Okay, bye bye, see you.